If your heat or AC isn't kicking on right, figuring out whether the thermostat or HVAC system is the culprit can seriously save you time and cash. So, first off, grab a multimeter. It's like your best friend for this kind of troubleshooting. Check if you're getting 24 volts at the control board. This tells you if the thermostat is sending power like it should. Next, peek at the voltage at the thermostat terminals. No voltage means the thermostat might be dead. Try jumping the R wire to other terminals like Y or W to see if the system responds. This bypasses the thermostat, so if your heat or AC kicks in, you know the thermostat is the issue. Don't forget to double-check your wiring connections. Loose or corroded wires can cause all sorts of headaches. Also, make sure your thermostat batteries aren't drained, because sometimes it's just that simple. If everything checks out voltage-wise but the system still doesn't work, the HVAC control board or relays might be acting up. Remember, working carefully and turning off power before poking around keeps things safe. One of the biggest mistakes when troubleshooting thermostat and HVAC problems is assuming the thermostat is broken without testing voltage first. This leads to unnecessary replacements. Fix that by always using a multimeter to check for 24 volts before swapping parts. Another common slip-up is ignoring wiring issues like loose or dirty connections that can stop signals from getting through. Tighten and clean those terminals before blaming hardware. Lastly, people often forget to test the system by jumping the R wire to other terminals to isolate if the problem is the thermostat or something else. This simple trick saves a lot of guesswork and calls to expensive repair services. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC systems and repairs. Contractors get a steady stream of work, making it easier for everyone to fix home issues fast and right without the hassle.